All right, I'm getting ready to make the hot Italian sausage from Farm Boy. So I'm gonna just try out the two and do it the same way as I did for the andouille sausage. Okay, I'm gonna pour out some of the water. I poured out some of the water, let this water evaporate. I will slice it up. All right, I sliced it up like that. I'm gonna pan fry that. Let's see how it tastes. All right, so it's coming along. See, the water is evaporated. The oil from, or the fat, I guess, from the sausage has come out, so that I didn't have to add any oil to this or anything. Let I guess the pork fat and all that, whatever's in there, come out and it'll do its thing. So it looks good. All right, time to taste the hot Italian sausage from Farm Boy. So it looks. And it's flavorful, better than the ones I bought at Costco, right? I bought Costco sausages a few times. I'm not gonna, I mean, they're good, but they're not seasoned well. I don't know if I overcooked them. They do. It's a bit on the dry side, but not bad. I mean, maybe I overcooked them. I'm not sure. The other ones I got at No Frills are good. They were flavorful. I should have done a show and tell, I guess, tasting. But yeah, they're good. Take your bite. Farm Boy hot Italian sausage. It's made in Canada. Or I think Ottawa. They're from Ottawa. So. So check out my video presentation, Farm Boy Canadian Retailer, Food Samples and Grocery Shopping, Taste Test at Home.